There are many different types of allergies, and millions of people around the world suffer from the irritating and miserable symptoms each and every day. And although 1 in every 5 adults across the United States suffers from the symptoms of nasal allergies, the issue remains surprisingly underdiagnosed and undertreated. Some allergic symptoms can become so severe that they actually cause allergic shiners to appear under and around the eyes. Allergic shiners cause the areas under the eyes to swell and discolor, as in the case of a black eye, or shiner. Allergic shiners can make an individual appear as if they have just spent a round or two boxing in the ring with Mike Tyson. The discoloration and swelling is a result of allergic symptoms that cause the congestion of small blood vessels located underneath the skin in these areas. Nasal rhinitis, which is a nasal allergy, had been known to produce a combination of issues that can include shiners, swelling of the throat, watery eyes, headaches, mouth breathing, and more. A short list of several different types of allergies includes, but is not limited to, the following: food allergies, seasonal allergies, nasal allergies, pet allergies, plant allergies, drug allergies, sinusitis, hay fever, hives, and more. How to relieve allergies. You will find that there are several different methods used when learning how to relieve allergies. However, it is best if you can isolate the cause of your allergic symptoms so you can better determine which treatment is best for your particular case. If your allergies are severe and preventing you from performing your everyday tasks, it is probably best that you pay a visit to an allergen specialist. They will perform a series of blood and scratch tests that can help identify the cause. The doctor or specialist can then make more suitable over-the-counter drug recommendations, administer a shot to relieve the symptoms, and offer other forms of treatment and advice. A specialist may also administer desensitizing treatments that can help prevent or minimize future allergic reactions. Sublingual drops placed directly beneath the tongue may also be used to desensitize and are an appropriate alternative for those who do not wish to visit a specialist or a physician on a regular basis. If a monthly visit to a physician is not an issue, you can also consider getting a monthly EPD, or enzyme potentiated desensitization. Individuals should always take into account the many factors involved when it comes to allergy symptoms. The presence and severity of a variety of allergies can be caused and affected by anything from your home environment, geographic location, pollen counts, pollen sources, and much more. Understanding how these factors affect your specific allergies will help you determine which steps to take in treating them. Following is a list of tips and suggestions on how to relieve allergies of the most common types. 1. The first thing that you'll want to do for how to relieve allergies is to clean and dust the entire home. Vacuum all of the carpets and drapes using a vacuum cleaner equipped with a HEPA filter 2. Service and replace all air filters in the home immediately and continue to do so every 30 days. This includes your heating and AC unit as well as the furnace. 3. Keep the allergens outside by closing windows and other entrances to the home. Turning the AC unit on will also help circulate the air and filter out excess pollen. 4. Determine whether antihistamines or decongestants help better for how to relieve allergies and symptoms. Decongestant should be used to bring immediate relief of symptoms by contracting the small blood vessels located under the skin, under the eyes, and in the membranes of the nose. On the other hand, antihistamines are designed to block the harmful effects that histamines cause in the first place. 5. For swollen and watery eyes, try a cold press or eye cream that contains caffeine. Cold and caffeine both work to reduce swelling. 6. Try using a prescription nasal spray such as Nasonex or Flonase. These reduce swelling in the nasal passage and provide relief of irritating allergic symptoms. Many physicians will prescribe antihistamine nasal sprays when oral antihistamines are ineffective. Treating the problem directly at its source can have a much better effect than taking antihistamines orally. 7. Use an all-natural saltwater rinse to clear out irritants such as pollen in the nose. 8. Use the recirculation feature on your vehicle when driving instead of opening the windows. This will reduce the amount of pollen and other irritants from entering the vehicle. 9. Try immunotherapy techniques. This works by a gradually released exposure to common allergens that are difficult to stay away from, such as pollen. The objective is to train the immune system to ignore and not react to these allergens. Immunotherapy should only be used when other forms of treatment aren't effective. 10. Try natural remedies. All natural antihistamines can help reduce congestion, while antimicrobial herbs such as grapefruit seed extract, golden root, stinging nettle, and butterbur help prevent sinus allergies and nasal infections as well.